passes out. We have IMAX pass to begin. Moving up in the middle now to take the lead is Lakey's Way. Lakey's Way by about 2 lengths. And in second is City of Dreams. IMAX is racing in third. Moving up Arias now Imperial Ballet. Gintong Biaya comes next. Next on line Chairman Bunonoy. Down inside middle ladies Magic Boom Boom Boom. And Go Go Thunder in last. And on the quarter net it's the Lakey's Way by only 3/4 of a length. The City of Dreams Arias side. Imperial Ballet now coming closer Arias as they come down to the last 200. Lakey's Way is down on the inside. Moving up now Arias is Imperial Ballet to take the lead. It's now Imperial Ballet by about 2 lengths. Lakey's Way drives back in second. City of Dreams, IMAX, Boom Boom Boom. And finally Imperial Ballet. Number 3, Lakey's Way, City of Dreams, IMAX, Boom Boom Boom. Gintong Biaya.
There you saw the instant replay of race number 2, race fans, kung saan nakita natin unang tumawid sa meta. Itong napakagandang at napakagaling na kabayo na si Imperial Ballet doing